In this guide, I'm gonna clear out whether you can fix Disney Plus outage or not. Let's get started. If Disney Plus is actually facing the outage, all you have to do is wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Likewise, you can also follow these solutions. Restart everything. Close Disney Plus completely, restart your device, restart your router and modem, launch Disney Plus again. If Disney Plus works on your phone but not on your TV, or vice versa, the problem is likely device specific rather than a service outage. In that case, you need to switch devices. Likewise, sign out and sign back in. Next up, if you are connected to VPN or proxies, you'll need to disable it, as these can also interfere with logging into Disney Plus. Likewise, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. If you see the option of update, click on it. Likewise, restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router, wait for about 60 seconds, plug them back in. Once the connection is restored, try Disney Plus again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.